The Twinstar Classic Visa card is a straightforward credit card designed mainly for people who are new to credit or are working on rebuilding their credit history. It keeps things simple, no flashy rewards or complicated perks, and focuses on providing a solid foundation for responsible credit use. One of its biggest strengths is that it charges no annual fee, so cardholders can focus on building credit without constantly losing money to yearly costs. It also comes with a very low introductory APR of 1.90% on purchases for the first 180 days, which can be a big help if you need to make an initial larger purchase and pay it off over a few months. On top of that, there are no balance transfer fees, making it appealing for someone trying to move high-interest debt from another card. The standard APR after the intro period sits around 15.25% variable, which is competitive for a credit-building option, and it has 24/7 fraud protection for security. However, it's not without its limitations. There's no rewards program at all, so you won't earn cash back or points on your spending. The starting credit limit is low, at just $250, which can feel restrictive and may make it harder to keep your credit utilization ratio low unless you make frequent payments. The low introductory APR is also temporary and only applies to purchases, so after the first 6 months the rate will jump to the standard variable rate and can change quarterly based on the prime rate. In summary, the Twinstar Classic Visa card is a good fit for students, young adults, or anyone with limited or damaged credit looking for a low-cost way to build a positive credit history. Its lack of fees and balanced transfer costs make it budget-friendly, but the low limit and absence of rewards mean it's not built for someone with established credit looking for perks. Used carefully, it can be a smart stepping stone, but carrying a balance after the intro period or expecting premium card benefits could turn it into a missed opportunity.